Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add someone's Instagram story to your stories. First you need to open the Instagram on your phone, find and click on the icon of the Instagram, and then find the story you want to add to your story. For example, I select it and make a screenshot. Then go to the profile page and click on your avatar. Here we can just click on this screenshot and we can share it on our story. Then click on the arrow and share on your story. Click on the share blue button. Here click on the done, and as can we see, here I can in my story this stories other people. And this is all for today for stories, but we can add post to if we want to our story. For example, this account, I select this photos and then click on the three dots on the top right corner here and just click on the add to story. And I can add this post for my story, clicking on arrow and click on the share. And these two ways to add to your story some stories other people or post. This is all for today. Goodbye.